before you go out exploring, make sure you pack one of these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. This is the ThruNite Saber. It's like a light saber. Never heard that before. Anyway, I love these ThruNites. I thought I would check this out. This is in army gray. It does come in a few colors, so you can match it to your outfit. And what we get here is some instructions. We get a USB-C to USB-A charging cable, and then here is the army gray saber. And man, that's a good looking flashlight, right? Good looking for a good looking guy. And it's very small. It's kind of like a finger sized flashlight here. I love these because I think these are what you will use 95% of the time. You want something that you can have with you. The flashlight that you have with you is better than the great flashlight that you don't. And the thing about these is that they are rock solid. Like I said, I've held a lot of the flashlights that are this size, and they have that really chintzy, almost like film canister type of aluminum, but not ThruNites. I can just tell this thing is beefy and solid, and would probably hurt. You probably kind of use it a little bit like a tactical light. I want to show you here that this top portion comes off, so that's where we'll get our ThruNite battery to a 920 milliamp hours. It's a 14500 battery, so there we go. So that's in there, and then just screws back together. You can see we have a little O-ring in there, and then that light comes on, and as you might expect, it's pretty bright. So I want to just hit the tail switch here. Oh, I like the click on that. Oh yeah, feels good. There's some resistance there, so I'm not going to worry about it turning on if I drop it on its butt like that, because you got to actually press it pretty good. The other thing I love about this is we have some knurling right there, so you should be able to get a good grip on it when you're opening this up. We have a bi-directional clip right here, so you could put it on your shirt pocket or inside your pocket like that, or you could put it on the brim of your hat and use it like a headlamp. So this little clip makes a flashlight like this even more important. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn it on here, and then I'm going to just click through. Oh man, okay. So that's the low and high. So we've got two modes here, high and low. Hopefully you can see the difference. Man, that's super bright, and that's much dimmer, okay? All right, out here in the peaceful wilderness again. Wind rustling through the trees. Pretty dark night tonight. Lots of critters out. This time of year, everything from coyotes to deer to raccoons to possums. So let's see if we see anything while we fire up this little guy, this ThruNite here. And look at this. You know what? Right? I can see my feet here. I can walk around, see the ground. And even on this pretty low mode, I can see these trees out here, no problem. Tree above me. Look at that moon out there tonight, huh? And the tree's farther out there. And if I go up to the next mode here, yeah, look at that. That is very bright. I don't see anything interesting yet. Huh? Kind of thought that was a head bobbing over there. But it's just some branches behind the shrubs. That's what you get. Eyes play tricks on you sometimes. And then we can go back to the low mode. But what I love about this is that these two modes in this little tiny pen light configuration here mean that you will have all the light you need basically anywhere you go, right? From changing the tire on a car to camping out in the wilderness. Dude, this thing is the bomb, and it will just take up a little space in your pocket, or like I said, clip it to the brim of your hat, and you'll never need another headlamp again. Hey, if you want to pick up this little ThruNite, get you through the night, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter Von Panda.